going on, guys? My name's Jamie. Welcome back to Officially Gassed. Now today, guys, we are back with something absolutely bonkers. We're back with a 1970s Hayabusa turbo powered Bond Bug. Guys, this thing's got 3 wheels. This thing is just ridiculous, guys. You do not want to miss this. Stay tuned, this is going to be lit. Let's get it.
I just like the sound.
Thank you very much for letting me have the opportunity to even come down here and experience what we're about to do today. This is mental, mate. I don't know where to start. I mean, it's a bright orange, 3-wheeled Hayabusa turbo engine, 300 brake horsepower, home created creation. How has it come to this?
I did buy it and it had the engine in it already, but
Okay.
it was done really badly.
Okay.
Loads of things wrong with it, so I basically rebuilt the whole thing again. The engine, you couldn't take it out because they built it on top of the engine.
Okay.
So I made a cradle system up so I could take the engine out. I've just done loads of things to it. Redone all the steering, the brakes. The engine's been rebuilt twice.
Wow, wow.
The second time around I built it a bit stronger.
And you said it's forged now?
It's forged, yeah, it's got Wilson pistons, Carrillo rods. Yeah, it's cammed up, it's, yeah, loads of work done with it.
What turbo did you say it was running?
It's got a 57mm Borg Warner turbo. I'm running about 1 bar, 14 psi.
1 bar. Wow.
So, yeah.
How does it? How does it?
Safe.
Yeah. How does it handle the power?
It's good. It's a bit squiggly. It kicks down. It can spin up, catch you by surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a bit of a handful.
Bit of a handful.
And the turbo does kick in. It's fun. That's what makes it fun.
Yeah, and you pretty much fabricated a lot of this.
Yeah, loads of fabrication on that.
Yeah.
I've done loads to it, yeah.
And guys at home, we're actually at his garage, his workshop, and this guy is living the dream. The amount of toys you got.
Dual customs.
Yeah, so this is 1970s, being 3-wheeled.
It's quite stable. It's got a Cosworth back axle. It's a lot wider. Yeah, it's a lot wider to handle the power of it. It's a lot wider than a standard 3-wheeler. You get this, you know, conception that it just tip over all the time. It's not like that with this.
Okay.
It's quite handled very well. Actually.
Okay.
And you can sling it in the bends, you know.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can throw it about, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be.
I've had it drifting.
Really? My guy. So also, yeah, it's quite a strange setup, or a little bit of a peculiar setup on the gear shift kind of thing.
I've got a manual shift on it as well as a paddle shift.
So you've got paddle shift.
I've got a flat shifter on it, yeah. So it's clutchless changing. So it's just basically bang, bang, bang up.
Yeah.
And clutchless changing down. It's got the blip system built in as well. And you know, it blips the
auto blip and all that. No way.
So, yeah.
And it's obviously controlled by a standalone ECU, I'd imagine, or.
That's right. It's got 3 ECUs on it actually.
Wow.
It's got 2, one to control the secondary injectors for the turbo. It's got another PC5 Power Commander 5 to do the actual booster engine, and it's also got the standard ECU which runs the booster.
Talking about the engine, what does it rev to?
Top, I suppose, about 11, 12 something.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
about 11,
okay.
12, yeah. At the moment the rev limiter's set quite low to keep it safe, because when you've got all these ECUs they can start banging against each other.
Okay.
And it can be dangerous, so we've set the ECU, the rev limiter quite low at the moment, but it's still enough.
Still enough. Oh mate, I'm just super excited for this one. I think we've pretty much covered it all. Let's get out on it.
Okay.
Nice one, let's do it. Alright guys, so we are in the Hayabusa bug crazy contraption, and oh guys, pray for me, man. I don't think they're going to hear us, are they? Guys, if you can't hear us, sorry, just watch my face screaming like a little bitch. Oh my god. You don't see these going down the road every day, I'll tell you that. That's a luxury out there. Oh man. like, what the hell is going on? If you can't, just appreciate the sound of this thing. This is warp speed. It is unreal. It's literally a motorbike 2 inches off the ground. This is... I'm gonna have to throw away my pants, honestly. I'm gonna have to throw them. This is something else. Oh, man. When we were going down the road, I know I was just screaming. This is something else, honestly. Thank you so much for this experience, man, guys. This is something else. This is it's crazy. I don't even know what to compare. I feel like I'm 2 inches off the ground in a baked bean can with a Hayabusa. When the turbo, I just don't know what to say. It's like, honestly, after you've driven this, how do you get a buzz? Like, it's like
I'll get in my own free after this, and it feels slow, really slow.
This is unreal.
This is good for up to 100 mile an hour. It's quick, but over that, then you start losing out.
Mate.
And that's when the other cars come into it. But up to then, it's like wicked. It's good fun.
Oh, smiles all around. Honestly, thank you so much for this, man.
No problem.
Cool. So guys, look, we're gonna end the video here. Just a little short blast, and I mean that is enough. You got my heart racing. This is unreal. Again, thank you so much for the experience,
No
Jim.
problem.
This is crazy, guys. Honestly, this is something else. I hope it's translated on the video what this thing is about. It's a beast. There's nothing I can compare this to.
Tasmanian devil.
Mate, it's something else. 300 brake horsepower, 500 kg, Hayabusa turbo engine with 3 wheels. Mate, guys, also what I will mention is this car, or this bug is for sale. Jim is actually selling this. Personally, I don't know how he's ever letting go of it, because I would just want to keep this forever, but he has got so much other vehicles that I think it's...
That's the thing, I've got too many toys now, I need to let go of some.
Need to let go. So do you want to... So how much did you say
I'm
you wanted
looking
for
at
it?
15 grand, I won't take no less, so I've been told that's a bit cheap really, but...
Mate, I think it is.
Yeah,
I think it is.
15 grand, and that's that. If they come 15 grand, they can take it.
Mate, so
I'm just gonna
guys,
get rid of it, so.
there you go. If you're interested in this or you want to inquire about it, I'll leave all links to that in the description of the video, so make sure you check that out. No time wasters, please, for anything like that.
No joyriders.
No joyriders, mate. I tell you what,
The fastest one in the world.
it's the only one in the world.
Yeah, that's what I ain't got a lot of competition.
So guys, look, if you did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Go back, check some other content out too. I'm sure you'll like that, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.